Mabuhay! I am Hannah Macy Sadoral and I am from BSTM 1C. So today, I am your tour guide. So I tour you to Barm Region. So Barm Region is an autonomous region located in the southern Philippines, replacing the autonomous region in Muslim Mindanao. So the capital of Barm is Cotabato City. So Barm has 6 provinces. So first is Basilan, second is the Lanao del Sur, third is the Maguindanao del Norte, third is the Maguindanao del Sur, fifth is the Sulu, and sixth is the Tawi-Tawi. And first stop here at Basilan. So Basilan Island was originally named after a Datu who once ruled a big part of the island before the Spaniard came to Basilan. So in the long past, Basilan had other names. So it used to be named Ulayan, derived from a mountain located at the heart of the island. Its capital is the city of Isabela, and the dialect language are Tausug, Cebuano, and Sama. So the industry of Basilan is rubber tree, palm oil, coffee, and the tourist attraction is Malamawi Beach, Paswak Spring Park, Lampinigan Beach, and Santa Isabel Cathedral. So the tourist spot is the Kabun Bata Falls. So the delicacies is kalia, pitis, wadhit, daral, and the festival is Lami-Lamihan Festival. So next stop here at Lanao del Sur. So Lanao del Sur is composed of 39 municipalities and Marawi City is the capital. And the province is currently composed of 1,159 barangays and it's divided into 2 correctional districts. So the dialect language is Tagalog, English, and Cebuano. So the industry is the rice planting, harvesting corn, palm oil, and harvesting bananas. So the tourist attraction is the Marawi Grand Mosque. Next is the Mineral Falls, Masjid Bacolod Grande, Barao Falls. And the tourist spot is the Lake Lanao. And the delicacies is palapa, broa, daldol, and Puyaparan a Manok. And the festival is the Caria Festival. So the third province and the third stop here at the Maguindanao del Norte. So Maguindanao del Norte was formed when Maguindanao province was split into 2 provinces. So the other province being Maguindanao del Sur. And the division occurred following a plebiscite on September 17, 2022, which ratified Republic Act 11550, wherein it proposed the partitioning of the province. So the industry is agriculture and forestry, fishing, and the tourist attraction is Mount Minandar and Ranao Pilayan Falls and Sifaran Falls. And the tourist spot is the Marayag Lake. So the delicacies is pastil, sinina, tinagtag, and duldul. And the festival is Saburatan Festival.